everybody. Now, killer whales may bleach for a variety of reasons, whether it's to scratch an itch, get a better look around, or just to show off. The more often times than not is to let all the other whales know that they have arrived. SeaWorld's research and observations on the killer whales at Marquardt has shed light on the many mysteries surrounding these amazing animals. For example, we now know that the gestation period of a pregnant killer whale is approximately 17 months. That would be information that's impossible to obtain out in the wild. That's why SeaWorld partners with organizations. But for all of you, it means it's time to get out.